Hi, this is Ruben Augustus, UR15CS108. Today we're going to be seeing the lab experiment number 6, operator overloading. And here I'm going to be doing a stack implementation of using operator overloading. We'll be for push, pop and display. So let's see the code. Here I have a class stack and public variables, integer, and I have an array of 5 variables. And I have here I'm overloading an operator plus this will be used for the push operation, and this int y I get the value here from the user, the int value, and then we assign it to x, and here is the normal stack function. We check whether it's overflow, and then here if it's not overflow we assign the value to the top, and then here again here this is the stack operator. We are overloading it. We are overloading minus for the pop operator, for the pop operation, and here this is the normal stack function. We check if it's underflow and then we say underflow, otherwise we just minus the top by 1. And this is the display function. Here we are overloading these brackets for we are overloading it to use it as a display. So here we just get the input here, and we are using a for loop. We print the values of in the stack, and here in the main function we have an object of the stack, and I have an integer value just to store the values when we get the values from the user to push it into the array. And here this is an here this is the menu. We have insert, delete and display and exit. Here we get the choice from the user, and here for case 1 we say enter the value to push. We get the value from the user, and I have a plus a is the object, and I have plus value. So what this does is this value is the value that we're going to pass. So this is the value, so a plus the value. So what happens is it will go back to this function, and it will take the input and it will be added to the stack. So again here this is for the pop function. I have a minus 1 because I have this 1 here because that the function needs a parameter, so I am just giving this 1. It doesn't necessarily do anything. So here we have a minus. This minus is the part that is overloaded, and so it will pop an element from the array, and here we have the display. So what this does is this is a, and this part is the display, so it will call the display function. And what these go to read functions, these go to read things are just to go back and read the menu. So after each operation it will go back to the menu. So these are just the exit and wrong input. So let's just see some inputs and outputs. So we have a choice 1. So I'm going to push some values first, 3, then I'm going to push again 4, I'm going to push again 5. Now let's just take a look at the array whether all the elements are gone in. So this is the I'm sorry, push. So now let's just take a look at the array. So here we have 3, 4 and 5. Now I'm going to pop some elements. Number 2, yeah, it's popped. Again I'm gonna, okay, now let's just take a look at the array just to check if the value has been popped. Yeah, see 5 is popped. So now let's pop another let's pop 2. Now let's just check the array. It says stack empty. So here we have the program. Thank you.